how to enable email forwarding in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you going on a vacation and want your email to be forwarded to another email address? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's get started. First things first, open up your browser and then head over to your Gmail account. Now go to the gear icon in the top right corner and then tap on See All Settings. Now go to Forwarding and POP/IMAP. There you'll find Add Forwarding Address. Tap on it and then enter the email address of whom you want to forward your email to and just hit Next. And you can easily turn it off when you want to stop the forwarding. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.